Hello everyone. So today I thought I'll probably give you an update. Not really an update, but yeah, it is an update, but it is more about me sharing the progress so far. Now, some of you, I hope, are following my channel regularly, or at least you watch my videos sometimes. Now, earlier this year, I started my own membership program. Now, of course, you can do membership programs on. I mean, there's an option to do it on your channel using YouTube, which is fine. It works and it is probably the best way. But I was looking for a bit more control. I was basically interested uh, in not really contact details of my members, but I wanted an ability so that they can reach out to me, they can have discussion with me. So I of course was looking for a bit more control. So let me share what I did earlier this year, and hopefully I will give you some ideas, or I will basically encourage you. Now, first of all, I do get a lot of like questions on my because my videos, especially my Ravi Sagar channel where I talk about Jira, I get a lot of questions from people. They usually have further questions based on what I have explained, and they ask me a lot of questions about different things that they can potentially do with Jira. Now, it is great, and people were always sending me comments. And the problem with YouTube comments is that it is a bit difficult to track. It is a bit difficult to have like a proper discussion if you want to basically engage with someone. I mean, you can just talk to someone, you can just keep on adding normal comments, but sometimes people also want to send me some code snippets, or maybe they have a bit more detailed question for me. Now, what I did, I basically set up my own service desk on basically. So basically, I use Jira. I know it is not open source, but it is free. So I use Jira to have my own service desk. So if you go to my site, ravisagar.in, you will find like a floating widget where you can actually reach out to me, right? So this is it. This is actually my service desk. Or you can go to my portal. Like there is a link, but usually it is ravisagar.in/support, and you can click on the ticket here, and it will basically, this link, and it will take you back to the same page where you can raise a ticket for me. So the idea is that when people raise a ticket for me, I have like a better way of channelizing all the requests. So I'm quite happy with this approach. I think so. People are using it. They are actually sending me a lot of tickets for me to look at, and of course, I'm not really able to respond to all of them, but I try to basically respond whenever I can. But at the same time, because I also started my own membership program, like a paid membership program, it is in a way I ask people to join this membership program, where if they think they like my work, or if they want to support me in my efforts, then this membership program will basically give them two things. Number one, they will get access to my all the future books for free starting from this year. And if they are an active member, they will get the book for free. Number one. Number two, they will also get priority response to my ticket. So let us say, it's not really a support or service that I'm doing. Like I'm not really going to spend like hours to solve their problem, but I can definitely give them pointers on priority, because I try to respond to all of my tickets that I get on the support. But people who are my members, they will get priority response. Now, the way I've configured it is using nothing but Stripe. So what I did, I used Stripe, and I basically configured it to basically accept the payments. It took me, it's not massively complicated, but basically what you can do here is you can simply click on the button checkout. It will take you to my Stripe checkout page, and as you can see, the theme is same, right? So you can just subscribe to it, right? That is it. Very simple, and it works really well. I do have a few paid members. I think since the start of this membership program, I think in total I have had 25 paid members, but not all of them are active. But the thing is that it is quite good, right? Of course, I'm not really earning millions. Hopefully one day I will. because why not? But it is in a way, I think if you can, I mean, to be honest, I'm not really doing it for money part. It's more about I want to give these members a bit more additional benefit if they pay for it. And I'm still trying to explore like what to do next. Because for these members who are paid members, I will, of course, I do respond to their tickets on priority. But at the same time, I have also had discussions with some of them. Yeah, so it is always good to, talk to people, like real people, face to face. Of course, not face to face, but on Zoom or Google Meet. And I've also met a couple of them. Great, right? It is something amazing. So what I'm also thinking is I am trying to hopefully take it a bit further. Maybe I will do some member only. I don't really want to make my videos or limit my videos to these members. I want to keep it for everyone, but maybe I'll have like an offline or some kind of a member only webinar, or maybe I will add one more or like a bit more level to these memberships. I mean, my priority is to keep it very simple, like just one membership program, and that is it. And of course, right now the focus is Jira, not really open source, because there is no, I don't really want to ask people to, I mean, because Jira is not open source, people pay to use Jira, and that is why I think it is fine to ask people for, a little bit of money, because I'm helping them in a way. And I want to keep my training courses, my videos free for forever. So I will continue to do that. But at the same time, if you think, or if they think they want to contribute, they can with these benefits. So I'm still thinking about where to go from now, about my membership program, what else I can do. But I think so far I'm quite happy with this. And good thing is that everything is in my control. I know my members' email addresses. They know my email address. They can reach out to me. I can reach out to them. At the same time, I have full control over this setup. And because it is nothing but tools, I can always integrate these two tools together. I don't really need to. I mean, the only thing that I need to do is like the moment you subscribe to the moment you make a payment, or you become like a subscriber, like a paid subscriber, what I would like to do is, because I have like a separate organization in Jira Service Management, Jira Service Desk. So this portal is built using Jira Service Desk or Jira Service Management. So I have a separate group, not really a group. It is something called as an organization for these paid members. So these paid members are added to those to that particular paid member organization or group, and I want to basically make it seamless. Like the moment you make a payment, you're added automatically to my service desk and also to the right organization, which I know I can do. I don't really have time to do it because I don't really have like lots of subscribers. I can just do it manually whenever I see a new member joining or leaving. So that is it. I think you should also do it. You should build your own community. You should also think and consider doing your own membership program yourself. Don't rely. I mean, you can always use Patreon and all those other things, but why do it using Patreon and maybe those famous providers? They will of course take their cut, but you can do it yourself. You just need bare minimum. You just need a web page along with a Stripe account. I don't really think you even need a Stripe or like a web page. You just need to create like a Stripe link, like a donation link. That will also work fine. But if you have a web page, it makes sense, right? It will actually keep things very organized, and you have like a way to just highlight what you do, what you are trying to offer with your membership program. All right, that is it. I hope I have given you some ideas, and maybe you will consider starting your own membership. All right, that is it. Bye bye.